In this video, I am going to show you how to connect your Instagram account with your Facebook page. Welcome back to the tutorial lab. For doing this, we need to go to our Facebook page on which we are going to connect Instagram account. Go to the pages. Open the page on which you want to add your Instagram account. On the bottom left corner of your Facebook page menu, you will find Settings. Tap on Settings, scroll down, find and tap on Instagram. After opening Instagram, tap on Connect Account. Here the pop-up menu says Allow access to Instagram message in inbox. Tap on Continue and then insert your Instagram username and password. I am entering my username and password. After entering the username and the password, tap on Login. Which best describes you? Select your option, then tap on Next. Tap Next again and tap Done. Now refresh the page and you will find you are connected on your Instagram account on your Facebook page. You can review the connection. Tap on Continue and then tap on Confirm Connection. Tap the Instagram password again and then tap on Login. Your connection has been confirmed. Tap on Done. Here you will find Connected Instagram account. This is how you can connect your Instagram account with your Facebook page. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.